everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Coffee Girl Journal. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Fancy Tukwe. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I create beauty, fashion and lifestyle content. To my returning subscribers, welcome and thank you for coming back to watch yet another video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's absolutely free, and already like this video, comment already because this video is going to be bomb. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to slay your bushy brows in this quarantine period. A lot of salons are closed for either waxing or threading your brows, but today I'll be teaching you how to slay your brows from this to this without plucking it. Yes. So without further ado, let's get into this magic. This is how my brows look like at the moment, all bushy. I guess I'd be able to find the lion in the quarantine. See what you've caused. I'm starting off by setting my brows with the s-bahn loose setting powder just to give it a matte finish. You take it and dab into the brows. Then taking this Tint and Brow Tamer from Tame Essentials. I love this product so much. It also comes with a spoolie, so it's easier to apply the products, dipping the brush into the product and brushing my brows upwards to tame it and shape it and give it a precise edge. Brushing it upwards lightly so I don't have the products on my brows making it look too oily. So I just take it and I'm carving beneath my brows to give it that shape. You know, you have to create an illusion of a perfect arched brows first with the tamer, so the tamer tames it very well. Then taking the Beautyline by Didi brow pencil. I love these products too because it comes with a spoolie and it just makes everything easy. So I'm brushing with the spoolie again to just to be precise. And I'm starting the outline of my brows from the bottom of my brows, you know. So taking the pencil and just outlining the brows. English. I'm outlining the brows, making sure that I'm precise. Then I go to the top. I'm just filling in the brows and outlining it at the same time, making sure I get the desired shape that I want and making sure that the product shows on the brows, because at this point the brows are bushy, so you have to make sure that they're precise. Brushing it with the spoolie, and here I'm faintly drawing strokes, hair-like strokes, to give the brows a very natural look, because you don't want your brows looking boxed. No, this is not boxed brows here. So I'm doing that and I'm extending the strokes to the rest of the... Oh no, this is where my brow pencil caught, but not to worry, we're back. So I'm just getting the precision of these brows by filling it in with strokes, brushing. Then I'm taking the Tarte concealer in medium to define my brows, to define the lower part of my brows. I like starting from the middle with that concealer, and I just define it and make sure everything is on point. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always come back here. Don't panic, just make sure you define your brow. Oh, see, I made a mistake, so I'm back with the brow pencil and keep defining the brows just like so. You have to be very, very careful. So I'm taking the Juvia's Place foundation in Casablanca, and I'm just using that to define the front parts of the brows to give it a natural look. That's my foundation color, so I'm just trying to give it a natural look. So I'm taking a blending brush to blend those concealers. Yes, this is Tame, no harsh lines, sis, blend them. Okay, here this is the Beauty by Eddie setting powder. I'm using that to set the brows and just blend everything into my skin, just because we don't want no harsh lines. So blend, 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 blend. You have to keep blending, just little by little. Keep blending. I'm making sure, you see, I'm going back with the pencil, and because I don't conceal the top of my brow, so I took the same the same setting powder to define the top of my brow. So I'm here blending, 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 blending to make sure that everything is all defined. So taking this MAC brow tint in Girl Boy, using it to set my brows again to keep all the hairs in place. This is how you tame your hairs. Then I'm going back into my Beautyline by Didi pencil, and that is it, guys. This is the finished look. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, like, subscribe, share this video to your friend, and I'll see you in my next video. Y'all should please stay safe, stay beautiful, and we'll get through this.